Guys, there's the old system, and there's the new system. Let's check it out, the new system. So we used to have 250 watt and the same amp setup. The only ring that it was the whole kit. It came with the same control, everything, but I put everything that came with the kit. New screen, same screen as the other one. Controller, same controller as the other one. My own built battery like normal. And then what we do is we go. Let's check it out. Max speed, no load. 59.0 kph. I tested it yesterday on the road. I got up to 54 kilometers per hour. That's on a full battery. Remember that, full battery. Check it out. I love it. The Rog over and out.